Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to reset security token here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Resetting your Salesforce security token can be necessary if you need to reconnect to Salesforce from an external application, or maybe if you have lost your current security token. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon or avatar in the top right. Click on the settings, or my settings for that matter. Now here, you'll have the option to click on the reset my security token. All right. Now, obviously, when you access Salesforce from an IP address that isn't trusted for a company, you can use a desktop client or the API. You need a security token to log in. Now, basically, security token is a case-sensitive alphanumeric code that's tied to your password. Whenever your password is reset, your security token is also reset. All I have to do is click this option that says Reset Security Token. Click this button right here, and what will happen is it sent a security token to the email address for my account, and that's going to be my Gmail. I'm going to switch very quickly to my Gmail to see that if I receive any email. As you can see, I have received a security token here. All right. And this is going to be that. All right. And then from here, if you need more information about the security token or to see, reset your security token at this sales help support here. Okay. Wait for it. Now remember that if you don't receive the email with your new security token, check your spam or junk folder. Ensure that your email address in Salesforce is correct. You can verify that in your user settings. So this is a quick guideline in where you can reset your security token. Otherwise, you might want to click on the contact support if you're still experiencing issues. And there's going to be a create case button right here. All I have to do is type in our concern, and that's going to be resetting the security token. And you can put a screenshot of the error, and one of the support staff will give you troubleshooting steps and insights on how to fix them. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.